Hey everyone, it's Eric, and in this video, I'm going to make it quick. What I want to do starting on October 12th is do a 7-day workshop where I teach you everything I know about print on demand. And I'm going to mainly do that inside the Facebook group. So if you're not a member, there's going to be a link in the description if you're watching this on YouTube. If you're watching this on Facebook, it's somewhere on this post. And what I'm going to be doing is going through basically everything I know, specifically the two different strategies that actually work to sell products. I think a lot of you are trying to use advertising to directly sell to a cold audience, and that's something I did a few years ago and it worked really well. The costs on Facebook are super high now. You may be able to do it on Google Shopping. That's something I'm not getting into right now. But what I'm going to be going through is the two strategies that I use, mainly organic sales, selling on Etsy and Amazon, and also growing your own audience on social media and then selling them products through those platforms. So basically you'd be building your own little niche brand. And the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to be posting these videos starting on October 12th on my YouTube channel. So every day starting on the 12th through that following Sunday, I'm going to be posting each video. So if you're not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you're notified when I release these videos. And then if you're not a member of the print on demand community, make sure to go in and request to be approved. It's free to join. All I ask is that you answer these questions. So if you don't answer the questions, I'm not going to approve you. That's how I get rid of all the spam and all that kind of stuff, or at least keep the spam to a minimum. So there's 3 questions to answer. Just make sure to answer those and you'll be approved probably within 24 hours. So I will be posting all the videos in the group and then I'll be posting them on the YouTube channel. Most likely I will be taking the videos down. I'm not sure yet. So we'll see how that goes. But if you want to make sure that you get notified, make sure to subscribe, turn on the notifications, and join the print on demand community group. So let me quickly go over what I'm going to cover in the 7-day workshop. Basically, on day 1, I'm going to be going through the 2 strategies that I use to sell consistently. I'm going to go over the overarching strategy that I actually use to sell. Day 2, I'm going to be going over my niche selection and my Etsy strategy. So niche selection for a niche brand, is going to be different from your Etsy strategy, although you could combine them. So I'll talk about those 2 things in day 2. That'll be Tuesday, October 13th. On day 3, which is going to be Wednesday, I'm going to be talking about building an audience quickly. Now, I built an audience from scratch in my print on demand blueprint course, which I built an audience of meat smoking people, I guess, in 30 days, and I actually got my first sale within 30 days. So I built an audience of 10,000 people in 24 days back in May of 2020. For $350. So those are the people that I actually sell to for the meat grilling and smoking little niche brand that I have. So I'm going to show you how to do that in day 3. Day 4 is I'm going to go through product and design research. This is pretty important because you need to know what types of products your audience is going to buy, and also the types of designs they're already buying, so you can create some unique stuff to actually offer them. Day 5, I'm going to be talking about making your designs and your products. So once you did your design research, you're going to have to get them made by someone, hopefully not you, unless you are a really good graphic designer. And then I'm going to show you how to create your product pages and get it set up to actually sell. On day 6, I'm going to talk about Etsy and Amazon optimization. So this is mainly going to be keyword based. So we're going to talk about how I create my titles and descriptions and tags and all that kind of stuff. All the really geeky stuff is going to be on day 6, but it's super important to know how to set up your titles and tags in order to get traffic, this free traffic that's available to your listings. Then day 7, which I think is going to be on a Sunday. Yes, it is a Sunday, confirmed. I'm going to talk about getting sales. So this is probably something that everybody's trying to do, and if you're struggling getting sales, it's probably a number of things going on. It could be your designs, the audience you chose, the amount of traffic that you're sending to your listings. But I'm going to talk about the strategies that I use to actually get sales every single day. So most likely I'm going to create a video on Monday also. Hopefully it's going to be about audience growth and looking at the math behind your business, because this does require some investment and you need to know what your investment is and what you're getting back. So I'm going to talk about how I do that. And since I kind of like math because it comes easier to me, I want to talk about it. We'll also talk about some stuff that comes up inside the group. So if you're not part of the group, make sure to join the group, because that's where you can ask questions, and then I can adjust my videos every day, especially this last video. I can talk about the things that maybe I haven't touched on in the past 7 days. So I think it's going to be pretty fun. So hopefully you follow along. Make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and also join the group where we can have some good chats about all this print on demand stuff. All right, see you later.